So I'm going to be comparing open comb to closed comb design. Um, haven't done this comparison, haven't shaved with these razors, so I'm just going to get right to it. I'm going to take and you know just with my synthetic timeless adjustable brush here, just go right in here. I'm going to be using Shannon's shaving soap. Great soap. Just going to go right in here. Just going to go right in here and grab some soap here and just paint it on my face. Now I just got out of the shower. A lot of people always ask, I'm still getting a couple nicks. Well, are you just coming straight? Just went down to get some more water in here. Are you just coming like straight from the shower? Are you, there's a lot of variables. Are you preparing your face the correct way? Me, I like to take a shower. That's important to me. It helps soften up my, hairs on my face. I'm just going to go down and put the tips in now. And I try to do the same thing every time with preparation. And to me, that's key. If you keep doing something, you're not getting good results, try something else. All right, so just got that painted on my face. I'm going to go in and load these razors. I'm going to go in with, let's see, grab some Lab Blues here, this is the AccuForge blades. So I'm just going to grab 2 of these. I got 6 days of growth. I have a lot of growth here. Comes in this package here. I got these from Razor Emporium from Matt. Bought 250 of them. So I'm gonna load in the open comb first. Timeless, makes some of the best razors out there. This one has the polished finish, and it's the open comb version of the 6/8. So I'm just gonna open it up. All their razors are 3 pieces. Grab one of my AccuForge blades, which the cool thing with these blades are there's no glue or goo. So just loading that on here. Again, simple 3-piece razor setup. Put on the handle here. Now, I don't know if you've watched a lot of my videos, but I always put some soap on my face first and then load up whatever razor or razors I'm going to be using. Now, as you can see here, the closed comb version is in a matte-like finish besides the, top cap. The cool thing with timelesses, the top caps, you can have a custom engraving put in for, a small fee, which is really, really cool. Great company. And they're all of the materials they used are outsourced or insourced in the United States. So again, 3-piece razor. Oops, just loading that on. Bottom cap and the handle. Just fantastic razors. So the open comb, I think I'm going to go over here, and the closed, I'm going to go over there. So I'm going to separate these now. Now I'm just going to go back in here. After I get my equipment loaded, I go back in and hydrate my face, exfoliate, start to really make sure that the hairs on my face are sticking up and my skin is well hydrated. And another cool thing is if you're not getting perfect shaves, I didn't either. I've pretty much put all of my videos from day 1 to day 2 down on, or here on YouTube. So, back then I wasn't editing as good. I didn't have a nice camera setup, but you can see my struggles in the beginning when I was making the switch and how long it took me to get perfect shaves. So going in with the open comb over here. Oh yeah, dude. So good. Let me switch over to the closed comb here. That was a good pass. That's good too. Hard to say which one's smoother. Open comb definitely a little easier to shave with all this growth. Very nice. Yeah, you can see the closed comb struggling just a little bit. Okay. Yeah, you can see open comb, closed comb. Open comb took off a lot more on the first pass. Oh my God. Okay. So that just happened. Oh my God. All right, my camera just fell in the water. Still working now, so. Got a little bit of a dry shave going. Hopefully everything's okay with the Sony camera. Let me give that a rinse. Wow. I don't think it's waterproof. I took the lens off real quick. A little scary. Hope everything's okay with it, because that camera's not cheap. But at first pass, the open comb did a much better job in my book. I can already tell, even with 6 days of growth, I'm gonna be able to just do, man, too wet. I'm gonna be able to just do, some more soap. I'm gonna be able to just do 2 passes, which I like. Playing golf this morning, so I don't really have a ton of time. All right, so closed comb did a better job on the first pass. There's no question about that. It removed more growth than the closed comb. But now that all that growth is taken off, the closed comb should be a little smoother. So let's see. BBS. Wow, they both feel really good. Love it. I think I like the open comb a little better. just a little bit easier to shave with for all that growth. A little closer too. Let me go back over here. Well, a little closer shave. Yeah, we're gonna call that good. Freaked me out, the camera falling in the water. I'm all messed up. I had a bunch of things I wanted to go over, but shit happens. Yeah, huge mistake there. Normally check them out and didn't check it today. All right, so let's go through my regular routine here. Put on the cold water now. People always ask, you know, do you shave with hot or cold water? Mine's kind of like lukewarm. I don't go extremely hot. Yep, little burning sensation on this side. Nothing up top. Well, a little bit right there. A little bit there. A little bit of burning sensation on the bottom. But again, I mean, it's a week's worth of growth. It's a lot. So in this shave, I thought the closed comb I thought the open comb had a little bit better feel to it. Now, does that mean it's a better razor? I don't know. I mean, with that much growth, it just felt so good, you know, with my skin type. So for me, it was the open comb. And I like the 95 open comb as well. So I'm just going to go in here with some Thayers. Obviously putting it on my head as well. I'm going to be on the golf course, so I don't want to go with a heavy aftershave. I want to go with something really light. So Nivea is where it's at. Okay. All right. Good shave. Glad my camera made it. What do I think? Between the two, with 6 days of growth, I like the open comb. The open comb was a little smoother than the closed comb, but you know, you can see the two different handles, which this is the polished and this is the matte. Well, thanks for watching. Comment down below which ones you prefer better, an open comb razor or a closed comb razor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget, join the channel if you want. And let's start a conversation down below. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend.